Well, good day, everybody. Let's jump right in and talk about soybeans. Boy, oh boy, decent action in that product. It's getting more excited. We have folks talk about trading 13 bucks, but guess what? We got to trade 12 bucks first. Overnight, we caught a bid and tried to get up there. We came very close. We were about 4.75 cents off of $12, but we did a little bit better job in the day session now that we're closed. We've backed off of that a bit, but we got within, say, 3.25. I think 11.96 3/4 was the high during the day session. We've backed off and settled higher on the day, but not near those levels. So still pretty constructive going into the weekend. But it looks as though that traders want to trade the $12 print. That's just something psychologically that happens. We didn't do it today, but just because we didn't doesn't mean we won't. It's just the market's going to wait until more and more people don't expect it. That's how these things work. So we've done a lot of work up until now. I expect that will happen in the near future, but just not when everybody else thinks it's going to happen. Another interesting thing that a lot of people were talking about today, I'm going to put it up because it didn't happen, but we had December options expiring today. That could have made that $12 area kind of dicey if we hung out right there all day long. It didn't happen, but I know a lot of traders during the day were looking at that and were worried about that. So that was something that, although it didn't really come to fruition, it was definitely on the wires, and that's what the traders were talking about. So an interesting thing, and when we have expiries or expirations, as we say here, and we're close to a big figure like that, it can kind of make things a little bit nervy. It didn't work out that way today, but it's still worthy of bringing it to your attention. And then lastly, if you look at the yearly chart of the dollar, the low is 91.75. The high is 102.99, I think. Well, we're trading at 92 and a bit. So we're at the very low end of that yearly range. And that's still going to have some play with these commodities, especially when it comes to exports. So keep an eye on that. The dollar's still going to be friendly to these commodity prices as we trade towards that yearly low. And we'll break through it. That's something I just wanted to highlight. So traders, keep an eye on that, because that could also be some wind underneath the wings of things like soybeans that we trade here that are dollar denominated.